Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So yesterday I have explained you about feminist movement, gender division, public and private division of labor. So we have gone through all these points. So today we are going to read about women's status in India. Yesterday I have just given you a hint on patriarchal society. What does that patriarchal society means? It means that India is still, after independence, India is still a main dominated society where male are just ruling the house and they are just doing work. They are just doing work out. They are earning and they are having control on the family. If we talk about particularly for India, women still lag behind men despite some improvements. There are some movements, there are some rallies for the improvement in the status of women, but still we can find that the women are being exploited everywhere. So the status in India, it is not improving. It is shown by a few points. First is literacy rate, unpaid works, difference in wages, and child sex ratio. These are the 4 points through which we can just get to know that the status of women has still not changed. Literacy rate, if we see according to the census 2011, if we see that the literacy rate of male and female, there is a difference between their literacy rate. In 2011, the literacy rate of male was 82% and female was 65%. Just see, because in some families the members of family, they just don't want that the girl child should study because they have a mindset कि गर्ल है क्या करेगी, पढ़ना क्या, घर शादी करके तो घर ही संभालना. They have a thought like that. So a man should go and get the education so that in future if he'll get married he can take care of the family. So this is the thought which some people are having, and because of these thoughts only there is a change in the literacy rate. The second point is unpaid works. Unpaid means the work which we are doing and we are not getting salary for that. I think you must have seen in this pandemic when nobody was working out, your mother was there who was working from day to night, but still she was not getting any salary for that. And abhi right now as you see that lockdown nahi hai, still they are working and they are not paying for that. So on an average, Indian woman works 1 hour more than an average man, but still remains unpaid for work done at home. घर के जितने भी काम वो भले ही कितना कर ले, बच्चों का सब देख ले, but still she is not getting salary for that. वही एक आदमी अगर काम कर ले तो he is getting salary for that. So because of unpaid works also the status of women is degrading all the time. Point number 3, differences in wages. You can in society you can see somewhere, you can see right now तो the thinking is changing little bit. जो experienced हैं, जो पढ़े लिखे हैं, जो वो करते हैं एक चीज़, उनको उसी हिसाब से सैलरी मिल रही है. बट मे बी दिस इज़ रिगार्डिंग प्रीवियसली जो जब पहले सोसाइटी हुआ करती थी उसमें कुछ मेन कितना कैसा भी काम कर ले दे विल बी गेटिंग हाई सैलरी, बिकॉज लोगों का माइंडसेट ये था कि अच्छा ये इसको फैमिली को रन करना है, सो ही शुड गेट मोर सैलरी देन वुमेन को सैलरी देने का कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है, अगर दो भी तो लेस देन अ मेन. सो 1976 ये सब जो चीज़ें चल रही थी उन सबको देख के 1976 में एक एक्ट पास हुआ, दैट वाज द इक्वल रीम्यूनरेशन एक्ट. उसमें बोला गया था दैट दे शुड प्रोवाइड इक्वल वेजेस टू द इक्वल वर्क. जो जितना काम कर उस काम के हिसाब से आपको उनको वेजेस देने हैं, नॉट बाय द जेंडर डिविजन. सो द फोर्थ पॉइंट इज चाइल्ड सेक्स रेशो. आपको पता होगा दैट इफ़ यू कंपेयर द रेशो ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल देयर इज़ अ wide change. In some society, in some families, the people prefer boys only. If they get to know that the girl is there in the womb, they try to abort that girl, है ना. So you must have experience, or if not then you can just search channels, there are a lot many, you can see videos of Haryana, और यहाँ पे भी बॉय को प्रीफर करते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई द रेशियो ऑफ गर्ल्स आर वेरी लेस इन हरियाणा एज़ कम्पेयर टू द अदर. बिहार में भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो वहाँ पे भी बॉय का रेशियो ज़्यादा एज़ कम्पेयर टू गर्ल्स. सो according to census 2011, I'm just telling you, the country has low sex ratio, mainly 940 females per 1000 males. That was a sex ratio which was recorded at 2011. That was the difference between a male and a female. So this variation we can see at our home also, or in the society also. ये सब हम देख सकते हैं.